Okay guys, so I'm so excited to finally get another Sew Sampler Blocks. I have been getting this consistently this year, more than I ever have been, so I'm super excited every month when this guy comes. And so I haven't peeked inside, I'll just cut the band. So let's get in. This is going to be one of my favorite, I know, because of the sneak peek. And it is So Sweet as Cherry Pie is the theme, which is super, oh my gosh, you guys, this is one of my favorite ones. I know it is. I can just from peeking, I can tell that it's one of our favorite ones. So I'm going to cover, you got your coupons here, which would be 30% off the Dresden quilt things. So I'm not going to share those, since they are exclusive to this. Wow, guys. Okay, so here is the little card that tells us everything that's in here. I'm not going to look at that right now. Look at this, guys. They have given us a charm pack. It looks like some bordering something else. I don't know. We're going to look at this in just a second. It's heavy though. And then we got the Dresden 4-patch Dresden template from me and my sister. This is for, oh, we must be doing this. Look how pretty this is. I'm going to skip over. So cherry picking. Oh, it's a table runner. So they must give us the binding fabric for the binding and the background and the inside. So, oh man, I'm so excited about this, because this is like how my kitchen is. And a lot of people like that farmhouse stuff, but to me this is farmhouse. So I'm really excited about this pattern. And I've never done anything with a Dresden before. Oh, look, you sew it and then... So this will be interesting to me to do this, because I've never done that before. So it's so amazing how these people come up with these patterns. So we got the pattern, the template, the charm pack. I'm not going to open this because I don't want it to get dirty before I use it, but it's the charm pack, the binding, and the backing, or not the backing, but the background. It may even have the background in it. I will definitely let you know here in a minute. And then we got this little rotary blade cutter, classic stick, detail cutting for applique trimming. Okay, so it's just a tiny little rotary cutter, which is neat. And then we have our barn block recipe for this month, and I've been saving those as well. So let's go ahead and look at this and see everything that we've got here. And obviously this was their big, they wanted to include all of these extras for this month, so I'm really excited. So you've got your Bada Bing charm pack, which retails for $9.98. It's 42 squares, 5-inch squares is what a charm pack is, if you're not familiar with that. You've got, oh, it says finishing kit included this month, retails for $12.37. I guess because it was so small, and they've been selling really good with their finishing kits. I know I got one for the Christmas quilt. I can't think of what it was called, but so this comes with the background and binding. Okay, so you'll have to come up with your backing, but I do believe so. Because it's a half card. Yeah, okay. And then you've got your double wide 4-patch Dresden template from me and my sister designs. It is retails for $9.98. And then you've got this 28mm stick rotary cutter from Fiskars, and it retails for $9.98. So let's see, $43 plus, let's see, plus if you add in oh, I got a promo code there. Plus, if you add in the $10 for the pattern and $5 for the barn block. So that's a good $60 box, I think, something like that. Let's see, $30, and then 12, 37, let's see, 43, yeah, so $58, I think, somewhere around there. Anyway, guys, this one was amazing. If you are not already a subscriber to the Sew Sampler box, definitely check it out. I will leave the link below. It's from Fat Quarter Shop, and every month is just so awesome. It's so awesome to get these things that you don't normally would go out and buy, or you can't just put it together in your head. You're not really good with things like that. This is just going to be such a fun little project, and I can't wait to do it. Thanks, guys. I hope you liked this video. Stick around for more as we continue into trying to work on this channel and stay busy and get things, going for it as well. So thanks, guys. Bye.